In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make 4 photos in one photo using Snapchat. On your smartphone, open the Snapchat app. Now, from Snapchat main screen, tap the search icon at the top left. And here, type Collage Maker. And here, you get lots of filters to make your collage. All you have to need, select any filter to make your collage using 4 photos. So I'm selecting this first option, and now you can switch your camera to capture 4 different photos for your collage. Or you can tap this gallery icon, and from your gallery select the first image for first collage. Now tap the second image, select your second image for the collage, tap on the third image and add the third image for collage. That's how add your all images one by one. Once done, tap this capture icon and we can see the collage successfully created using 4 different photos. Now just tap on send, and now you can send this photo to your story or to your friends. So that's how you can actually make 4 photos in one photo in Snapchat. Thanks for watching.